All right, everyone, I have a good video planned for you today as BTC is stalling out here up at upper resistance as expected. I'm going to go over the most bullish case I have right now. If we push to the upside and why, I'm going to go over my primary scenario on the hourly time frame, exactly what I'm playing. I'm in shorts, guys. I'm in a nice healthy short over on Blowfin, on BitUnix, also short. I, live by the sword, die by the sword. I'm a man of my word. And this is what we're doing. You guys, at the end of the day, you guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. I'm going to go over the main trading plan as well. Stick with me, guys. Before we get into this, make sure you drop a follow over on X. I did tell everyone to short BTC the other day, right at the pivot high. If you were following me, hopefully you got in on some shorts. At chart_junkies is the X. Drop a follow over there. Link pinned in the first comment down below, as well as the Instagram. Drop a follow on my socials, guys. Come see how we're living, see what we're doing. I try to keep everyone up to date with exactly what's going on, and try to give you guys a little motivation to fucking get your shit together, because I know it's tough out here sometimes. All right, let's get into this, guys. If you're new to the channel, as always, this is Elliott Wave Theory. Join up in the free Discord. Take the free boot camp. You also have free 24/7 Elliott Wave charts here for your viewing pleasure. That is pinned in the first comment down below. It's free Discord. Join up. We'll see you in there. This is the main scenario, main trading plan on the macro. 5-wave impulse to the upside that is finished. In today's video, we're going to go over the most bullish case. And if this case plays out, I'm going to come back to this. But if it plays out, then it is saying that this 5 is not finished. And we're going to pull 5 up here when this wave finishes up around 125K. This is, again, that is not what I am playing. That is not what I am saying is going to happen. It's just the most bullish scenario. I am definitely not calling for this. I'm definitely not playing this. But for everyone that wants to be super bullish, we're going to break out of here. This is the highest I could see price going. We're going to go over that in 1 second. But my main scenario still stands where we are in a corrective phase right now. And this is probably taking the form of a flat correction and looking to come down to 50K before we do hit up to these higher targets. Guys, if you want to be super bullish on Bitcoin, if you want to be super bullish on crypto, you want this move to happen, because guess what? If this move happens, your targets are so much higher. I hate to say it, guys. If we breach all-time high right now, I do not see high targets incoming. I see 120, 130 max. All right. It's just what the structure is telling me. Now, if you want to see those super high targets, if you want your altcoins to run to super high levels, guys, you want this move to happen. Okay. It's a good thing. Now, I've had this for a while. You guys are probably sick of seeing that chart. You're also probably sick of seeing this chart. I posted this on X a while ago as well. Here's just a zoomed in view of this top structure. I just see this being a big distribution zone. Trolls in the comments are saying, oh, well, he's just makes his box huge, makes his box bigger. This box is meaningless to me. I'm just showing you guys the distribution pattern. I'm not trading based off of this box. Fuck the box. It means nothing to me. Trade based off the waves. But, neither here nor there. This is the kind of zoomed in view of the WXY that I'm expecting to breach the high here. Now, guys, this is a very detailed, I'm trying to predict specific price action happening. Do you guys understand how difficult that is? Do you understand how the power of Elliott Wave can show you these wave structures and patterns before they actually happen? And I understand it's a very easy thing for most YouTube channels or influencers or accounts on X to just give you upside targets and say, oh yeah, Bitcoin's going to go up to these upper levels for sure. Bitcoin's going. Let me switch back to this chart. Bitcoin's Bitcoin's bullish. We're going to go up. And it's like, no shit. I mean, if you said Bitcoin was going to go up to 100K right here, guess what? You were going to be right. If you said Bitcoin was going to go up to 100K right here, guess what? You were going to be right. But what is the path? What is the path to get there? Because I'm saying Bitcoin's going way higher. Crypto's going way higher for sure, guys. I'm not in denial about that. But the path is what I'm trying to map out for you guys. I could take the safe route. But I didn't make my money being safe. I didn't make my fucking name being safe. And I damn sure ain't gonna switch up and try to be safe now. I'm trying to map out the exact structure for you guys as I see it, as it progresses. Will it play? Maybe. But I'm not gonna sit here and cheat you guys by telling you, oh, yeah, we're just going up. We're going up. And then kind of just wait for something to play out and then we hit up there. It's a cop out. I'm a leverage trader. I'd like to trade these ups and downs. You know, if you're holding spot bags, I don't even know why you're watching YouTube, honestly. I don't even know why you're watching any influencer, honestly. Just buy crypto and hold. Like that's your only strategy. That's all you got to do. Buy meme coins, hold. That's it. There's nothing to learn. There's nothing to watch. Shit's going to go up at some point, right? But if you're into leverage trading, if you want to see how we do things over here, then this is the channel for you. And this is what I try to bring to your attention with all of these videos. I hate to go on a rant here. I'm sorry for going on a rant here. We're going to get back into the analysis. Reel it in. All right. Now, overall structure. Let me just refresh this. I'm getting back on track. Sorry, guys. That was a fucking rant and a half. I'm sorry. All right. I am playing this down move. I'm not going to... These shorts that I'm holding right now, guys, I'm not holding this all the way till down here. You know, I'm looking to play a more corrective pattern down here. Like there's ups and downs that are going to be had. I did tell the premium Discord members that I'm taking the scalp short down to about 100K. You know, I alert them of all my trades, how I'm servicing my trades, moving stop loss, adding to my position, exactly what I'm doing. If you want to check out the premium Discord, just click upgrade here in the free Discord. But we added to position this morning in a winning trade no matter what. Stop loss is going to be break even on this. If we get stopped out, who cares? But I'm taking this down to 100K. I'm not taking it down to like 85. I can see price coming down to 85. I could see price coming down to 93K for sure, right? But I'm not taking it all the way down here. I'm taking it 100K. I'm going to be happy with it. I'm not looking to mess around. My primary scenario indicates an impulse to the downside, but 100K comes in at a sweep of this low. I just want to hedge against this just being an ABC. We're going to go over this in a second. I'm skipping around, guys. I want to hedge against this being an ABC, taking most of my profit right here. If this dumps down, great. I'll hold a little bit over on Blowfin or one of my other exchanges. But that's just how I trade. You know, there's an art to actually servicing your trade, actually trading. You can have the best strategy in the world, but you have to finesse the trades as well. You know what I'm saying? So this right here is my most bullish case for BTC. I'm not playing this. I'm not trading this, but I'm aware of this. And for all you bull boys, for everybody who's, you know, nutting in their pants right now that we got a nice little up move up out of here. This is where I would be looking if you are extremely bullish. 125K. That's the 4272 extension of our wave 1. Now, I am not counting this exactly like this. I have a different count, but switching it up so this whole thing is a 1-2 into a 3-4. Very shallow 1-2 3-4. Looking for an extended fifth wave to come into play here. Something like that. Getting up to the 4272 extension of our wave 1 gets you to about 125K. That is a final sweep of the highs. That is our overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is ugly. I hate it. I do not want to play it. But that's the most bullish count for all you bull boys out there, right? Nothing's invalidated, and that can be our finishing impulse all the way up from the bottom at 16K. And then I am expecting what I'm playing here, essentially, a bigger, larger scale correction to come into play. I'm just playing this correction right now, right? I would just shift this over and start playing it over here if we do get this move. I'm not expecting to get this move. We'll emphasize that. Now, switching over to my primary scenario. My primary scenario for BTC. Let me zoom out a little bit. As I trade this, I'm looking to capitalize on all legs of this for trading purposes. Guys, if you do want to leverage trade this, I can't stress enough how invaluable leverage trading is and has become in my life. Life-changing. Blowfin is the best no KYC exchange out right now. You sign up with your email, you're ready to rock. If you want to give leverage trading a try, if you want to switch exchanges, Blowfin is the best no KYC exchange out right now. I will die by that. If you want to give them a shot, I hooked you guys up with the best promotion that they have available right now for the Chart Junkies community. You get VIP trading fee discounts automatically, reduced trading fees, plus deposit bonuses and trading volume bonuses. All you got to do is click the link pinned in the first comment down below or use code ChartJunkies. Blowfin is my main exchange. I recommend Blowfin undoubtedly. BitUnix is my secondary exchange. I got bonuses over there as well. I recommend using 2 exchanges, but Blowfin's the main. Check them out. That promo is ending soon, so take advantage of that. If you're thinking about giving them a try, you might as well. But as I'm trading this, I'm looking to play a gnarly impulse down right in here. Let's sweep liquidity. If we look at liquidation heat maps, man, we got a nice thick old right at 93K. Let's come on down there. Let's sweep that. And then we can talk about pushing to the upside again. I believe we're going to keep pushing to the downside even further to this stuff right in here, 83K. Now, there's not a lot of liquidity there right now. It doesn't look like it's a crazy amount. But I'm assuming once we come down here, a bunch of longs are going to open up. Everyone's buying these dips. Everyone thinks we're going to start ripping to the upside. They want to buy in on this rally. And I think it's just going to push down and just make it look really dumpy as if it was a failed breakout attempt. And then we'll get the move to the upside that everyone's expecting, albeit just a quick sweep of the highs. That's all I'm playing. But overall, my scalp trade, I'm going to be taking profits at 100K, Lord willing, if we get down there. If I get stopped out at break even up here, so be it, guys. It's trading. It's trading. But I'm looking to take profits right down here at the lows, 100K. Looking to play an ABC just in case this wants to start going to the upside. Just in case. Because I'm not a fortune teller. I don't ever know. I just try to capitalize on opportunities and put myself in good positions. That's it. Elliott wave shows me where the good opportunities are. Shows me where the potentiality of good moves are, and I just try to capitalize on that potentiality. It's the name of the game, baby. Holding my Blowfin trade, hopefully down at 93K. I'll be looking to exit all trades down here, expecting a correction here, and then we move on down to 83K. This is my primary scenario, upon which we will come back to the upside looking to sweep all-time high. Just a sweep, and then we dump to finish out this correction on a bigger scale. That's well into the future, just kind of where my head's at with everything. Guys, I really hope you get something out of these videos. If you are interested in learning Elliott wave theory, it changed my damn life. Drop a follow over on X. Join the free Discord. Learn Elliott with us. We'll see you over in the premium Discord. Just click upgrade here. If you really want to learn this stuff, premium Discord's where it's at. Make sure you check out Blowfin because they are the shit. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe, damn it. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. Bye.